If you like to keep your legs smooth and hair-free, dealing with thick leg hair can be a challenge. To get the best possible shave, let your leg hair grow out for a couple of days, since that will make it easier for the razor to catch all the hairs. Use a fresh, clean, high-quality razor. Moisten your legs with warm water and slather on a shaving gel. Shave your legs in gentle, smooth strokes that follow the grain of the hair. If you get razor burn, use a gentle exfoliant on your legs to clean away dead skin and release any ingrown hairs. Thick hair tends to grow back quickly between shaves, so consider a root removal method, such as waxing or sugaring, if you want your legs to stay smooth longer.